MotorWeek is made possible by TireRack.com, Rain-X, Hum by Verizon, State Farm, and WeatherTech.
Hot Wheels was born in 1968. Mattel's co-founder, Elliott Handler, dreamed of a better toy car for boys. A car that looked cooler and performed better. He got his wish. A General Motors car designer and a rocket scientist came up with the first ever trackable toy car.
New Hot Wheels, only from Mattel.
20,000 different designs would follow. A whopping 6 billion Hot Wheels produced over the last 50 years.
It's Hot Wheels' biggest garage ever, with space for over 140 cars.
The miniature toy cars are created here at Mattel headquarters in El Segundo, California.
Let's get another layer going here.
Benedict is one of 50 Hot Wheels designers. The team is made up of experts from many different industries, like major auto manufacturers, entertainment studios, and the toy industry.
What I'm working on here is kind of like my idea for a new supercar, so it's not anything that exists, it's just something out of my own crazy mind.
Half the cars designed here are imaginary. The other half are based on existing vehicles.
Here at the Hot Wheels headquarters, we can actually create 3D versions of what the guys are thinking, and then we work with our manufacturers in Asia to actually create the final product you see in stores.
The whole process takes 12 to 18 months.
Each track pack you get makes a whole new set.
The iconic orange track system has always been a part of the Hot Wheels brands. More than 6,000 miles of orange track are produced each year. Why orange, you may be wondering? Well, Hot Wheels says it's because kids are attracted to bright colors. It's really easy to feel like a kid again, especially when you see this big orange track. All right, let's give it a go. Not bad.
Actually, everybody that has played with Hot Wheels, in their head is imagining what would that look like or what would that be like to drive it on the road or to see it in real life.
He read our mind. Enter the Hot Wheels garage. It's pretty top secret and security is tight. Not many people are allowed inside, so we're really excited. From the 1/64 scale die cast to the real thing. Let's take it out for a spin. This 2018 limited edition Hot Wheels Camaro is commemorating Hot Wheels' 50th anniversary. 20 vehicles make up the Hot Wheels fleet.
This is the way to go in California, top down.
And these life-size Hot Wheels are another level, literally. 3 broke world records. And get a good look at this one. May the force be with you. This Star Wars Hot Wheels pumps out 175 horsepower and hits 180 miles per hour. Check out this 1969 Volkswagen Beach Bomb. It's creating a lot of waves, it's killer, and its die-cast prototype is extremely valuable. We're talking close to $150,000. Die-hard collector Bruce Pascal owns it.
And it's just absolutely amazing, though, if you think about it, how many other toys the grandfather played with, their son played, and their grandchildren. It's multi-generational. There's just not many toys that are such an American success story.
Capturing the hearts of collectors and kids for half a century, while reflecting the car culture that's constantly changing. The Hot Wheels die-cast car is the #1 selling toy in the world. 16.5 are produced every second, and its price remains the same 50 years later. Just a cool $1 drive.